Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Trax and I will show you all the fuse boxes locations. This video will apply to Chevy Traxes made from 2013 all the way up to 2017. Now these small SUVs, they have three fuse boxes. One is under the front hood, one is in the passenger cabin, and the last one is in the trunk area. So the first and the main fuse box is under the front hood. It's located right here next to the vehicle battery. Now this on top of the fuse box, your Chevy Trax will most likely not have this. This is the battery charger. You will just have this cover. Now to remove the cover, there is like a small black clip to press right here, so you want to press it and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here this small white piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the smaller fuses. Okay, the second fuse box is located in the passenger cabin to the left side of the steering wheel, just behind this small storage compartment. To access it, first you want to open this compartment, and then this compartment is held by two tabs, one here and one here on the opposite side. So what you want to do, you want to press it here and pull down. You see, you have to get these black tabs out on both sides to be able to lower this compartment all the way down. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, just like this. And now inside you'll get access to all of the fuse boxes. I'll turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better, right? There's a bunch of fuses here as well. And the last fuse box is located in the trunk area, just behind this small cover right here. Now to remove this cover, first, as far as I can see, you'll have to remove this plastic piece. You'll have these two covers covering these two screws, and to remove the screws you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and once you remove those two screws, this cover will just pop out. Actually, you just have to lift it up. There's a couple of mounting holes right here, right? So once you remove the screws, just lift it up, and now you have full access to this cover, which is actually covering the fuse box. Okay, now to remove this cover, you just want to gently pop it out. Okay, just like that. And again, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and here you will get access to all of the fuses. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.